Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Rootlabs 10-in-1 Alpha Shilajit, a supplement that claims to combine shilajit with 9 other powerhouse ingredients. But what they don't always tell you is the potential side effects. So let's break it down after experience testing it. The biggest pro is the convenience. Instead of buying multiple supplements separately, this one combines them, which saves both money and hassle. We notice improved stamina during workouts, better recovery time, and even a slight improvement in mental focus. The capsule form makes it easy to take daily, and the added adaptogens and minerals seem to complement the shilajit effectively. However, we have to talk about the downsides. Combining so many potent ingredients in one formula means there's always a risk of overstimulation. On days when we double the dose, we experience mild headaches and jitteriness. Some users may also notice digestive upset or a disrupted sleep cycle if they're sensitive to adaptogens. Plus, while the synergy is great, it makes it hard to know which ingredient is giving you the actual benefit. Overall, Rootlabs 10-in-1 Alpha Shilajit is a strong supplement if you want an all-in-one energy and performance boost. But it's not for everyone. If you're sensitive, start slow. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.